Alright guys, now that summer's already here, I did some research and put together a list of the 3 best dropshipping products you should be focused on all summer long. These 3 winning products are currently making a ton of sales for a handful of brands, and if you jump on these trends early, you can get the same results yourself. We'll talk about each product and why you should sell it. We'll look at the sales, we'll look at some competitor stores, some TikToks, and even some Facebook ads promoting them. We have a lot to go over, so let's get right into it. All right, so the first product that I have for you guys to sell is this portable AC fan that you can see right here. And while summer's really starting to heat up, so are the sales on this product. You guys can see that it has 5,000 sold, over 1,000 high rated reviews. It's in the top 5% of best-selling items on AliExpress, and this exact same product has gotten over 40,000 sales in the last 30 days on AliExpress across different listings. You guys can see the data down here, which countries it's currently selling best in the demographics, 25 to 34-year-old male buyers. And there's also a ton of content that you can use on your own stores, including a video that you guys can see right here. Moving over to the Google Trends data, the term portable air conditioner peaks every single year around this time. You guys can see June to July, it gets over 200,000 monthly searches. Right now, it's currently peaking again with over 90,000 searches, 143,000 searches in the last month, up over 600% from the previous quarter. This goes to show that now is the best time to start selling this product. And if you go over to Amazon and type in portable air cooler, you guys can see all the different listings down here as well as the amount sold. This one has over 700 bought in the last month. This one 6,000, 1,000, 1,000. You guys can see all of the prices for these different items. They range from $30 to over $300, showing you that customers aren't afraid to spend a lot of money on this product. You guys can see this TikTok right here with over 3.5 million views and over 70,000 likes. You guys can easily order this product yourself and recreate the same exact content to go viral. Now let's look at a couple of different product pages for this product. You guys can see right here is the AquaBreeze portable air conditioner from Solo Soothe. They're selling it for $49, marked down 58% from the original purchase price of $120. You guys can see some features and benefits right up here at the top. They have some high quality images. Obviously, a lot of these are taken directly off of AliExpress. You can definitely clean some of these up yourself when you go to sell it. You guys can see their upsells right here. Buy one for $49, buy 3 for $117. Last units available at this price, so they have scarcity right here. We scroll down, they say they're featured in all of these different articles. You guys can see the features and the benefits with high quality images divided by different paragraphs. I really like the way this description flows. Their money back guarantees, 0 risk. They're showing their reviews down here, their FAQs, and all of the reviews at the bottom of the page. Another thing is this add to cart button follows you as you scroll down the page. They have a sticky add to cart button. I like when stores use this. Overall, this is a really good product page. Next up, we have the Phonery Sprays portable evaporative cooler from Phonery. They're selling it for $84.87, marked down from $99.99. They have 4 reviews. You guys can see some of their features and benefits right here. Once again, some high quality images taken right off of AliExpress. These could definitely be cleaned up a little bit. I mean, they're honestly not the greatest. I like that they're using GIFs in their product description. You always want to show GIFs and product images of your products in action, how they work, what's in it for the customers, the features and the benefits, everything else to do with this product. Once again, they have a sticky add to cart button that follows you as you scroll down the page. Although it's really not that neat looking. You guys can choose the color variants up here at the top, as well as the quantity. They don't really have any quantity breaks or upsells or anything of the sort. So this could definitely be cleaned up a little bit more to make it flow a little better. They have some customer reviews down here at the bottom and recommended items. So overall, this is a decent product page. It does the job. I don't know if it justifies the $85 pricing point though. Now, before we move on to our next winning product, let's talk about how you can start testing these products fast and make sales right away. Because if you want to jump on these trends, you have to stay ahead of your competition. You can actually have all of your video ads made for you from a company like Ecom Adz. This is who I use to make all of my own ad creatives. You guys can see some of their best-selling ad packages down here, and it doesn't matter which platform you want to start testing on. Let's say you guys want to start testing with TikTok ads. We'll select their TikTok ad split testing package right here. You guys can see that every ad package includes proven to convert ad creatives, delivery in 1 to 3 business days, and unlimited revisions if you even need them. Now, the reason I use viral Ecom ads for all of my own ad creatives is because the owners have a proven to convert ad strategy that they've used on their own stores to generate over $30 million in sales. Now, I'll leave a link for you down below in case you want to try them out. You're going to select the ad package you want to go with. You're going to choose your quantity. You guys can actually save more by bundling up and purchasing more of these at a time. You're going to choose if you want TikTok text displayed on your video. I highly recommend this option, as well as a TikTok voiceover. Once you fill all of that out, you're going to select buy it now. You're going to place your order. You'll receive a submission form where you fill out more information about your winning products. You'll receive your videos, and then you can fill out any revisions that you would like to. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of their previous work down here.
Introducing the Auto Face Tracking Tripod. Say goodbye to the struggle of finding the perfect angle for your videos. With this amazing gadget, you'll always be in the spotlight. Your content, your way. Get yours today.
So you guys can see how good their ad creatives actually are. But let's say you guys want to test out a bunch of different products in order to find that true winner. You guys don't want to pay $50 every single time you purchase this ad package. You can actually get it for $12.50 by joining their VIP program. Their VIP program gives you up to 75% off all video editing packages and 24-hour delivery, including the weekends. You guys can see how much cheaper all of their ad packages are down here. Now, their VIP program starts at $50 a month and goes up to $75 a month, and the only difference is the amount that you save on each ad package. So I highly recommend joining VIP if you plan on testing a bunch of products this summer. So once again, I'll leave a link down below in case you want to try out viral Ecom ads yourself. I partnered with them to give you guys 15% off your first order. Just use code Alexander15 at checkout. Alright, our next winning product is very similar to the first one we just went over, but this one's in the baby niche. This is a clip-on stroller fan that you can see right here. It only costs you guys $4.55 on AliExpress. They have a ton of content you can use on your own store, as well as a video right here. You guys can see that it's getting over 2,000 orders every 30 days, and it's in the top 5% of bestsellers on AliExpress. You guys can see all the data down here, the best-selling countries, as well as the demographics. Moving over to the Google Trends data, you guys can see this is another product that peaks every single year around this time. Once again, it's currently at peak interest, and it's getting over 11,000 searches every single month, up 227%. So this is definitely one of those trends you're gonna wanna jump on this summer. Here's another viral TikTok video with over 500,000 views.
These fans have a good clip, and they also adjust how you need them to. They have 4 different speeds and are absolutely perfect for these hot days.
So this content's very easy to recreate yourself or simply outsource. Here's a Facebook ad from one of the biggest brands in the baby niche. You guys can see this video right here. It's currently performing very well for them. Once again, super simple content. Now let's take a look at a couple of different stores that are selling this exact same product. You guys can see this is the stroller fan from Munchkin. They're selling it for $19.99. They have some high quality images right here in their product images. We scroll down, the description's divided by different paragraphs and different images of the product. They have the you may also like right here, as well as some reviews. So I would definitely add some sort of an upsell, maybe even some gifts of the product in action. It'll make it a little bit more trustworthy for your customers, but when you're selling a $19 product, you really don't need to put too much detail into it. All right, over here we have the Smart Stroller Mini Fan from Baby Bubble. You guys can see they have some images of their product in action, some supporting paragraphs. It's not really that neat or detailed. You can tell a lot of these are taken right off of AliExpress. So there's not too much effort that goes into this description. They're selling it for $37.90. They have 280 reviews, all high rated 4 and 5 star reviews. I do like their product images up here at the top. Well, some of them, a lot of these are obviously taken right off of AliExpress, so they could definitely clean this up a little bit. Here's their customer reviews at the bottom, some trust badges and guarantees. Once again, I would include some sort of an upsell to increase your AOV or your average order value, as well as a sticky add to cart button as you scroll down through the description. But for selling products under $40, you really don't need to put too much detail into them. All right, so our final product for this summer is this hair wax stick that you can see right here. Once again, it has some high quality images of the product that you can use on your own website, as well as a video right here. It has over 3,000 recent orders, almost 500 high rated reviews. It's getting over 2,000 orders every 30 days. Once again, in the top 5% of bestsellers on AliExpress. You guys can see all the different countries that it's currently selling in, as well as the customer demographics, 25 to 34-year-old female buyers. You can get it for $3.46 on AliExpress and sell it for so much more. You guys can see some Amazon listings from this exact same product. They're selling it for $13, $5, $8, so under $10 for most of these. But you guys can see this one right here has over 10,000 orders in the last month. This one has over 70,000 orders in the last month. 13,000 high rated reviews, almost 50,000 high rated reviews. This product is performing very well on Amazon. 10,000 orders, 10,000 orders, 5,000. You guys can see how well this trending product is performing right now. Now, this isn't one of those products that has seasonal demand. It's actually increasing every single month. You guys can see it got 22,000 monthly searches in the previous month. It's only down 3% from the previous quarter, but you guys can see how far this uptrend is going. This is definitely a product and a trend that you'll want to focus on this summer. So here's another viral TikTok of this product in action. It has over 1 million views, 21,000 likes. It's just a simple demonstration of somebody using this product and talking about it. You can easily recreate this yourself or simply outsource it. But if you make anything like this, you're bound to go viral and make a ton of sales as a result. Moving over to the Facebook ads library, you can see this ad right here that's performing very well for this brand. Once again, it's just a simple demonstration showing the product in action, what it does, how it works. Their offers 10% off plus free shipping. So let's go ahead and click on this link and take a look at their product page. So you guys can see this exact same product right here from Do.Trends. This is the wax stick flyaways fix. Say goodbye to flyaways is their headline right up here at the top. Here's their call to action, buy with discount. They have some high quality images with the before and after right here. They have some customer testimonials. I really like the way this description flows. They have some high quality images, some GIFs of the product in action, multiple call to actions throughout the description, some more testimonials, what's in it. And here's their offer right here, 10% off. You can get this stick for $49. So if you sell this product for $50 and you're getting it for under $5 on AliExpress, that is a huge profit margin. Scrolling down, you guys can see some of their customer reviews down here at the bottom. They don't really have any upsells in place that it looks like, oh yeah, they do. So you guys can buy 2 for 30% off for $74. That's the only upsell they have down here, but overall, this is a very good product page. If you guys go to sell this yourself, you'll want to make something very similar. Let's take a look at one more product page for this exact same product. This is once again the wax stick flyaway fix. They're selling it for $51.68, marked down from $57. I would definitely make the compare at price a little bit more if you're going to be making the sale as your offer. But once again, they have some high quality images of their product right here for all their different product images. Talks about the product, what it does, what's in it. I really like this GIF right up here at the top of the description. You always want to show GIFs, videos, and images of your product in use. Perfect for styling children's hair, for all hair types. So it's showing a bunch of customer demographics, what's in it, how to use. They have their sticky add to cart button that follows you as you scroll down the page. Their customer reviews down here at the bottom, they actually don't have any, as well as customer questions. I would definitely import some reviews for this product. You always want to have reviews on your product page because customers trust reviews like word of mouth from a friend. They have the you may also like some similar and recommended products down here. So it doesn't look like they have any upsells in place or quantity breaks. I would definitely try to sell customers a couple of these at a time so you can increase your average order value. But when you're making such a high profit from each sale, it really doesn't even matter. All right, guys, those are the 3 hottest dropshipping products for summer 2024. If you want more products just like these, be sure to sign up for our Winning Products newsletter, link down below, where I'll send you the hottest products to sell on your own stores every 2 weeks at no cost to you guys. And if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. And if you decide to sell any of these products, leave a comment down below and tell me which one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.